Spring is here, so you might be considering window replacement, door replacement, maybe even a bathroom remodel. Well, lucky for you, Windows Direct USA does it all. They're a local company that covers all your home improvement needs, and here to tell us more is Chris Carey, president of Windows Direct USA. Always great to see you, Chris.
Yeah, thanks for having me in, Pete.
So I guess, first off, talk about the fact that, Cincinnati people certainly like buying, shopping local, don't they?
Yeah, we're born and grown right here in Cincinnati. All of our workers are from here, so we're proud to be a Cincinnati-based company. So.
Well, that's awesome. And I understand, too, that people, often refer to this time of year as window replacement season. Why is that?
Yeah, we just came off all the, the cold spell. You're really feeling a lot of that cold air coming out of or coming in through your windows. So you notice that you needed new windows all winter. Now the weather's starting to turn. It's a perfect time to start doing remodeling projects.
All right. So along those lines, what kind of window deals do you have right now?
Yeah, we got really the best deals we've ever had. On windows, you can buy 3 windows, you get 3 free. And that's unlimited. So if you buy 6, you get 6 free. We also can do a whole house of windows right now for as little as $99 a month.
Oh, that's amazing. So I know you also do the bathroom remodels. What kind of special offers do you have for that?
Yeah, so if you're looking to get a new bathtub or a new walk-in shower, we can get a shower door absolutely free with your purchase. Plus, you can get a shower done for as little as $74 a month.
Oh, that's a really great deal, Chris. So I know people might be feeling inspired to do a home makeover. You're giving one away. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, everyone's favorite day, April 15th, is tax day. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to give away a $10,000 home makeover to kind of ease that tax burden. You can use it to win new windows, doors, or even a new shower.
Oh, right. And doing it on tax day. Perfect timing for that one, Chris. Where can people go to get signed up for that?
Yep. So if you go to our website, you'll see right on the homepage, register to win a $10,000 makeover. Like I said, the 15th of April is the last day to sign up. So if you go to the website, you can get registered for free.
All right, sounds good. And remind everybody, where can they go to get more information and to learn more about the offers you have at Windows Direct USA?
Yep, WindowsDirectUSA.com.
All right, Chris, thanks for being with us.
I appreciate it.